So we're going to try this new car wash in Riverside. Okay. Did I just put it in neutral?
Neutral? Yeah.
This is sweet.
Foot off the brake.
All right.
All
Right.
go,
Cool. So instead of actually, I'm just gonna rolling backwards a little bit here. There he goes. So anyway, just had to do a little thinking there for a second. Sorry about that. And what I'm doing right now is I'm going through a car wash, and if you get tired of waiting in line and those stupid people in front of you, they don't go in the light screen and all that stuff. Over here by Home Depot in Riverside, they have this new concept of car wash, and all you do is just you pay your $7 for a base wash, and you can get the more expensive one that does more stuff or whatever. And you just drive up, you put your car in neutral, and you sit there and go right through the car wash, and when you get done, it's dry and it's over, instead of waiting for all the people. You know, so that's kind of a new concept here where I live. They probably have these around the country, but it's a great alternative to those. It's just a way, you know, when my car's dirty and I just need it washed real quick, and you know, it does all this crazy. This thing does way more than the regular, those little drive-through crappy gas station car washer does. Look at that. There's a power washer that oscillates. There's a rainfall type of thing. And then when you're all done, if you want to vacuum your car, it's free. You just get out yourself, you know, and you just run over to the vacuum and you just drive up and use their powerful vacuum to suck all the stuff out of your car, and it's over. So now right now I'm going through the dryers, and it has little buffing dryers and all this stuff. Really cool. So that when you're through, your car stops at the end, you're done. You don't have to wait for that dumbass in front of you who never, you know, goes in the light screen, and you're sitting there waiting for him for 10 minutes. Eliminates all the hassle of getting your car washed. Love this. This is great. Okay, cool. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.